The rebuilding of Detroit has resulted in a tremendous amount of new construction in the city, so it's important that the demand for engineers and skilled tradespeople gets filled in the years to come. On Tuesday, the 6th annual Construction Science Expo will introduce young people to careers in design and in construction. Detroit students will receive hands-on experience during a day of activities at the Michigan Science Center. The event is put on by the Black Caucus Foundation of Michigan and the Design and Construction Coalition. Here to tell us more is Nicole Stallworth. She's the executive director of the Black Caucus Foundation, along with Douglas Needham from the Michigan Aggregates Association. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I mean, our first segment was about opportunity and making sure that people's fiscal health is in line to take advantage of opportunity. Here, we're talking about making sure you have the right skills and skill set, and that is super important here in the city as we start to really ramp up economic activity in the form of construction. You're trying to make sure young people are situated to get those jobs.
Absolutely. It's very important that we begin to build that pipeline. At the Black Caucus Foundation of Michigan, we develop public policy initiatives and develop programs. And the Construction Science Expo is a component of our Bridges to Work program, which does just that, help to build that pipeline. So many young people in this town, you know, due to various things such as not being able to pass a drug test, the skills aptitude test, the training apparatus is broken. And so this event is really a way to expose young people, get them excited and motivated to go into these very lucrative career pathways. And then also with the transition in the city of Detroit, this is a way for young people to acquire skills to rebuild our community.
To help rebuild, right.
To rebuild our neighborhoods.
I love that this happens at the Science Center, partially because it sort of emphasizes that, you know, these are sort of high-minded skills. This is not just what we used to call trade work, disparagingly and I think mistakenly. These are great skills to have, and they're high order.
Right. There is a large focus on the skilled trades component as part of this expo. We call that you can either go to college and become an engineer and do the design work, which is a component of it, or there's a career for you in skilled trades, which you would need to go do your other 4-year degree.
Right.
So just because someone may say, hey, I want to go in construction, I don't need to have further education. That is certainly not true.
Right.
The technology and demands of today's construction force aren't that of the way they used to be. So we do need high-skilled individuals out in the field.
Talk about what will happen at the event.
So this is our 7th annual event. It will be Tuesday, May 16th. We will have 1,000 young people.
That's a lot.
1,000. These are middle and high school students from the city of Detroit, and they will be learning about engineering and skilled trades. We have a number of partners that will have exhibits outside in the parking lot. For example, the laborers, the operating engineers, and then in the inside, we'll have some of our HNTB, our engineering exhibits. The students will also receive lunch, which was also a good thing. And they will also receive T-shirts. But I think the most important thing, this is a exciting way for them to learn about these career pathways, and it's very hands-on. Very hands-on. So there will never be a dull moment. And then the students will also receive a survey where they can further share with us what they're specifically interested in. And then we can connect them, whether it's a skilled trades organization or engineering, to do internships or to get a job.
Talk about the connection between what you guys are doing and what we see schools trying to focus on with kids in this regard. Are we doing the right things at the K-12 level to get kids primed for this?
Well, there has been, I would say, an over-importance in schools to have kids go to college. And that's great to a point. However, we're losing our skilled trades portion. We need to have more of a drive from the school system, and that these careers actually can provide more of an income than a college-educated.
I think a lot of people don't know that, or they don't believe it, right?
And you go through a union apprenticeship program, they will actually pay you to be trained. So not only do you not have to pay for college, you will earn money while you're going through the program, and you will step out making a good living,
right,
and be able to sustain a family and to have a really good life.
Yeah, yeah. How are we doing with city kids in these opportunities? I mean, we see often that the kids in the city get left behind because of a number of different factors. Are we connecting with the right places to get them involved in things like this so that they have that opportunity?
Absolutely, and the majority of the students in this program are from Detroit schools.
Yeah.
And we know that the training apparatus has been broken. Historically, the numbers for African Americans going into skilled trades and engineering has been low.
It's always been low, right?
Has been very low. And so this is really geared towards being a solution to get young people from the inner city, whether it's in Detroit, whether it's in Flint, whether it's in Los Angeles, because this program is replicatable.
Right.
And again, if they get these skills, they can rebuild the communities.
Right.
That quite frankly, you know, have need a little TLC.
Yeah. And have been left out.
And been left out.
Right. It's not just that the kids have been left out; the communities have been left out. Yeah. Okay. People to find out how to participate can go.
They can actually call me directly at the Black Caucus Foundation of Michigan at 313-285-9234. They can also go on our website, www.constructionscienceexpo.com. And we do want educators and schools to reach out to us, because this is a valuable program. Yeah. We also need volunteers.
Yeah. Right. Come help out, right?
We need volunteers, and then we also, lastly, we need financial support to keep growing this program.
Okay, well, congratulations on the program, and congratulations on the 7th annual.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, that's our program for today. Thanks for watching. You can get more information about our guests at AmericanBlackJournal.org, and you can always connect with us on Facebook and on Twitter. We'll see you next time.